and many may be moved.
Now, how do you feel? Yeah, will be your set across.
I know, man. Ah, Massa. Yanko is a photo of Moko is a friend says, Mizim. One more could look up to come get to die from you, Miss Inkepa. I am the Massa. Men you don't call. Chumbo and Addo, or Moon and Fabio. Or Brandon, me, Miss Yam, dear Mebo.
Because you ready.
I'll tell you the fact. Or Brandon, dear Member.
Not the president to be.
I need the president to be Boba.
And I the old bonus of man to more than I
Massa, yes, be a man for phone. I make you go everywhere. The whole world. He now because was there. I am ready. I didn't have in the bottle. Nowhere.
For Janoka American.
Massa, Ubedaniako. Yes, I will go between me. You. And I tell American boy, a walk between me to make me you back up. I don't know, ma. It's me who won't be away. Your baby, I said you. Well, Akufo, if say, a started free, your friend said, just a force, and come out of my share with papa. No, it's when you are train or but to know where to wait your train or good at a matter. You're to sign be seen. Why do one bar? Would you have a Kunyaswa? Or Mamina, I have oh, water, and I'm going to see that. See that. The business see that. It's the Mumu Kenya, Memu. I'm telling the fact. The business me, Mamma, no president. Thank you. The young version created a mere cotopia water. A be advanced, Capre. Is it? It is about to do when you are matter my mistake. I'm telling the fact. Abrebisha. Nearby, me be school, me school, ye papi trust sama me school, me ko shira, na me ko president, me ko shira nsa na me ma me ko pam trust di ma me.
Se ni kasa.
Ni kele bi kola.
Ah, na bo kola.
Yes.
You didn't want to chichi
boko. Masa. So sa fi bi edura. Papa di ebe aduma ni bia, you akoton to ma efo. O twele sin ni da bobo kola. Several lipen with a show on free as a higher draining at the year caught me be I did before watching. Be 2 weeks, will be frame ocean. So I caught a president. Oh, I come for a crib.
Mecca, Israel,
wait, and yes, Kuwait. Or send me a one. Which will be you can walk. Because the minimum one, but the one on for the bush shuffle. Bra, what do you see? If you are going to be a kind of crib beyond where you free. So to come one. Now, walk on, wouldn't you count about them because you ready? What you come wondering? And you were too quiet. And walk on who said a whole year now, brow, from me. Focus your way. Here, mother, you'll be acting with your own pay. Eh? What your pa? The number call your mother not to obey through her. You go to against you among Roman call. The next back. No, wow, you talk.
And I wouldn't say a woman here now. I don't know you was so Kawasa. Ah, and your number. Ah, Obi Chimpra, number yet. What it is, or few away and then room you cry. I know ma. It may police coming can be or bra and no one. No president will let you free. Come me the me ye. Adia mva say eboa me am ye neutral person. Me nya ban nipa. Say me yire ko hospital. And me be called free. Tell you. You onyima kitinkiti ba anu na mva say ye ne ye timam hu no. Ye mva say e benefit because say wo no nkwaji contract wo ba bia wo kokoya ba mu adwuma. Yes free education buy. Bra anya bi kura obi ba zo aye den akobi. What you need pa? Okay, Akufo ya odo muko aye health insurance.
Muko ni muko school anya but anya bi me ba anya bi. At ordinary person wo dia be obanya se bi nka ukrom kwane aye den ni aye. Bra, na se wo mu nyina se ba na obi mpedesi se masa me better ka police one obrare de me kata ma de
mabo
me si dan mo obi akusi dan ma me na mu
but of course don't you also think say system no penifo edi animo no omo anfa good policy a won dimi si udan
system me ba system and sana system betimi ay system no bra ewi ati ba ne system be ne ade be ba wo betimi si udan tell me
system said the old policies but we say free education wo free feeding wo ni nyina wo fuel ayeto no ebo no wo form dollar
dabra de betimi asewu Ghana ay ba ko pe
dade
nyama nko school meka opa ye make bibia na ye to ekrum ye nusu ye ekrum eyo ye nusu ni me wo 2 years we will be
using made in Ghana good
yes
and never Ghana what tell you
tell you the facts
na then as say wo
o tell you
then you why you use
ye ni hwekura ni obibi ade ye yo nipa waduane obedi
yo mo
adwane obedi ye do buro ye do banche ye do bode enu ye di free enkola abduma besi ne
nti ade ba ma Ghana ade ba ma Ghana ahu atoye ye bedi ye niema
ye ba yusu ye niema woku asa masa eti mo ko school na mo nim bia se mo nim di no ah mo tu ye bibia tu ye bibia yin no eni how no president nana do free so kwa people free obi masa we still face the problem
masa we use made in Ghana goods
that will be the best me na make that
drive made in Ghana cars
masa it will be the best
president of the republic voted for. You have to respect that office, not you. I remember town old school na me class prefect na colleagues who say and I'm saying I don't need your respect, but I need respect for the post I carry. So give that post position a respect. Because with my colleague, you know, class back, I'm just class captain, but we have to respect the class captaincy. So and we must respect the presidency. Okay, control to no so branebe boy na enye hwehwemu so a kokwa pai. And what Captain Smart does is not journalism. Yeah, mon hwe abrofo no the style of journalism. Na me kra no Ghana journalists, excuse my language, but my journalism to me they are useless. Very, very useless. Because they claim they are referees in a match, in a football match. The center referee, no, what does that referee do? What is his duty? To make sure there's fair play, to take decisions on the field that will amount to fair play. And he said, two political party communicators, but now move try and throw out I leave it to the listeners to judge. Then you become useless in this case. Then what the any sense or more kasa wait time as well wait time no you must pinpoint say as some are walk away look him in the eyes and tell them and no be fear obi ba what show so obi say obi ba show so obi say people very responsible. So ubenya somebody like no can some sa no tumfuturo eguni peni sa
Aunia
mini akwaba
ubojmo
on so kakra ma me am say voice or form
yeah me tell kapa o tebega
me nti won kan ye I hardly
hello Montimika, Stella, and
viewers, no, Motinenka. I think they are important crowds.